eat orange carrots. What's your favorite color? Yellow. Yellow bananas. Yummy. Wow, colorful crayons are so much fun. Green. Elmo loves to eat green cucumbers. Yay! Colorful crayons make Elmo happy. Blue. Cookie Monster is blue. Wow, colorful crayons. One crayon. Wow, colorful crayons are so much fun. Two crayons all together. Wow, colorful crayons. Three crayons all together. Yay! Colorful crayons make Elmo happy. Four crayons all together. Wow! Colorful crayons are so much fun. Five crayons all together. Wow! Colorful crayons. Elmo's got 5 crayons in a box. Oh yeah, that's what he's got. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with you. Elmo's got 5 crayons. Oh, that's what he's got. Wow, Elmo's got 5. Please press a number button or a crayon. Elmo would love to play a game with you. Let's look for things together. Let's find the yellow crayon. Yellow. Yellow. You found it. Let's find the number 3. 3. Great job. Let's find the blue crayon. Blue. Great job. Let's find the number 4. That's green. Let's 4. Yay! You did it! Let's find the orange crayon. Orange. Great job. Please help Elmo count the crayons. How many crayons are lit up? 3 crayons all together. 3. Yay! You did it! Please help Elmo count the crayons. How many crayons are lit up? 2 crayons all together. 2. Great job! Please help Elmo count the crayons. How many crayons are lit up? 4 crayons all together. 4. Wow! Good counting! Please help Elmo count the crayons. How many crayons are lit up? 5 crayons all together. 5. Great job! Please help Elmo count the crayons. How many crayons are lit up? 1 crayon. 1. Yay! You did it! Please help Elmo count the crayons. How many crayons are lit up?